So in this video we will learn how we can add space to the front panel or block diagram without resizing the window. So let's place some objects so we can see the spacing. Let's place them on all four sides. So we can press the control and use the positioning tool to click the front panel or block diagram. When we do that, the cursor changes to, for adding space, the color is black and it changes to a line when it is either horizontal or vertical. But when it is in any other position, it changes to into a ray with pointed arrows, while in other positions, horizontal or vertical, it is a parallel lines. So while holding the key combination, we can drag in the direction we want to add space. The objects move in real time as we drag the mouse. If the direction we drag in is primarily vertical or horizontal, the operation snaps to the dominant direction. So let's go to the block diagram. Snap, snap, unsnap, snap, and increase. To reduce the space between scattered objects, we can press Ctrl and Alt and drag in the direction we want to reduce the space. The difference is that the cursor now appears in the line appears in the red color. And so is the case with the block diagram. Control, Alt, mouse down and then drag.